Generating the path on the pressure vessel is very look-like on the CAD file. In OTOM software, there is two ways to create the path. One on the CAD file and one on the Kinematic DOM, which is analytical version. Here we look at the Kinematic DOM, which is analytical version of the generating the path, which is only for the tubes and the vessels. Click on it, and the window will pop up and showing the pressure vessel with the defined path. This direction of the path is according to the path which was assigned here. You see the placement angle is 140 degrees. And this path, which is here, is according to that value. You could use this slider to move the roller on this path. And you will see all of the green dots, which is the Lagrangian points on the path. You could see that in front of the roller there would be an area which representative the control volume. This yellow area, if we change it, for example, from 20 to 50, you will see the size will increase. This is the control value which will be used for the optical and thermal analysis for UOT. So only this area is considered as an area for the calculating the heat flux. And all of the intersection points with the cylinder will be translated and checked if it is included in this area or not. To change the locations of this cylinder, we could use these buttons, change point of the path, and you could select another point and click on the accept new path. This feature is similar to the previous version. Here you can also change a winding angle. For example, change it to 100. And again, you generate a different path. Or change it to 175. And you generate a different path. And you can also change the directions. Here we have it at this direction, and if I move it, would rotate and change the another directions, the opposite direction. The rest of the buttons are as standard as the previous versions. So you will see the direction of the lasers here, the rotation of the laser head at the left side, tilt and yaw variations, where you could import the text file or Excel file, as it was also mentioned during the generating the path on the CAD file, or adding the extra laser modulus. now we make an path with these directions, and we save it, and we try to perform the later analysis for that. So for doing that, I try to make a kinematics. So I generate the laser directions like that. And I save the path for further analysis. I set it as the start point. And modify this path a little bit. And now setting as the start point, check it again if this is as good as it should be. Let's rotate the view. And now I can set it as an endpoint. Finish point. And I save the path info for further analysis. So all of the information regarding the laser direction, laser orientation will be saved as a kinematic file, which will be used either for the optical analysis or thermal analysis later. Please note that this is the analytical approach for the pressure ratio analysis or geo shapes analysis.